2023 BMW S 1000RR first look sportbike segment forward with innovative features. BMW has unveiled the latest generation of its superbike, the 2023 BMW S 1000RR. First launched in 2009, the leader-class superbike has helped push technology within the sportbike segment forward with innovative features. This year, BMW's S 1000RR is copying some homework from the M 1000RR, which has spent the past few seasons cutting its teeth in the FIM World Superbike Championship by bringing those race-inspired improvements and more into the fold. What's new? Several tweaks to the inline-four powerplant, aluminum chassis, and electronics take the highlights. Of course, no superbike in the modern era is complete without aerodynamic features, which now trickle down the S 1000RR. We can't wait to get our hands on Motorrad's newest racetrack belter, but until we do, we'll hit you with the fast facts. The ShiftCam-equipped 999cc inline-four features M1000RR derived updates. BMW Motorrad USA says the S 1000RR has retained its 205 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute and 83 feet lbs of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute. However, it now boasts a revised cylinder head with new intake geometry. Inspired by what's found in the M1000RR, it assists with power delivery across the rev range. An updated airbox focuses on high-revving pursuits with new shorter-length intake funnels and servo-controlled passages that open at a lofty 11,900 revolutions per minute. The rear sprocket is one tooth larger. The RR gained a tooth in the rear and should also liven up acceleration. Whether that helps alleviate the noise emission-related flat spots we experienced on the 2020 BMW S 1000RR remains to be seen. Revised quickshifter settings are a welcome change. Engineers have altered the quickshifter's programming, applying a new torque model to assist with shifts across the RPM spectrum. Reaction times are refined, which we hope leads to smoother shifting. An updated chassis and longer geometry are part of the 2023 package. The die-cast aluminum flex frame offers more lateral flexibility, thanks to new relief openings. On the geometry front, BMW appears to be hunting for stability by extending the rake a half degree, lengthening the trail 0.2 inches, and the wheelbase nearly 3/4 of an inch. Meanwhile, the triple clamp offset is reduced by 1/10 of an inch to offset the bike's wider stance. Lastly, the M chassis kit is standard, allowing adjustment to the swingarm pivot point and ride height. Rear wheel installation just got easier. It's the little things on bikes that matter, and the 2023 RR now uses captive wheel spacers in conjunction with chamfered brake pads and brake anchor plate.